Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at Ferret, an app that uses artificial intelligence to help you build stronger, more informed relationships. Ever met someone for business and felt like you were flying blind? Maybe you're worried about a potential client or want to learn more about someone you're about to collaborate with. Ferret can help. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. Download and sign up. First things first, you'll need to download the Ferret app. It's currently available on Android and iOS, with a web app coming soon. Sign up for the beta and create your account. Building your network. Ferret integrates with your existing contacts, so you can easily add people to your network. You can also manually enter information if needed. The AI engine goes to work. This is where the magic happens. Ferret's AI scours a massive dataset of public information, including news archives, legal records, and corporate ownership data. It then analyzes all this information to uncover relevant details about your contacts. Actionable insights. Ferret doesn't just throw data at you. It presents its findings in a clear and concise way, highlighting potential risks and opportunities. You can see if someone has a history of lawsuits, negative press mentions, or past business ventures. Real-time monitoring. The world doesn't stand still, and neither does Ferret. It constantly monitors your network for any changes that might be relevant, keeping you informed. Functional analysis. Ferret goes beyond the limitations of social media stalking or basic background checks. It digs deep to give you a well-rounded picture of the people you connect with. This can be especially helpful for investors evaluating potential startups, freelancers researching clients, anyone navigating the complexities of professional relationships. By using Ferret, you can make smarter decisions, build trust, and ultimately, achieve your goals. Ready to try Ferret? Head over to the link in the description below to sign up for the beta. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Ferret.